Oh my god, I'm lost it. I have lost it.
What lost it?
I'm lost it my laptop and computer Wi-Fi.
Just you can go on YouTube and then search how to do it.
Then
Then click on the video and learn.
how to find the Wi-Fi icon?
Yes.
Oh my god. I have listened from many people that if any problem in your laptop and computer, we have to go to the mechanic. But you are telling me to go to YouTube and search the video. I'm trying to find. I'm gone to YouTube and search. I have lost it or hidden my Wi-Fi icon. How I can find it? Yes, over there is a video. Let's find the option for that and see the video directly in the laptop. First of all, you have to determine that your Wi-Fi drivers are installed or not. How you can find it? By just going here over here on start button and type Wi-Fi. When you type Wi-Fi over here in search box, you will find Wi-Fi settings. Click on this, and after that, if you want to connect with any Wi-Fi, then you have to just click on show available networks. Now as you can see in front of you, these are the options available for connecting to the Wi-Fi. Now you can easily connect by this. If you want to see these options very easily and in just one click, you have to just click over here the option button and click on pin to start. When you click on pin to start, it's asking you that do you want to pin it to start, then click on yes. After that, when you click on start button, you will find a Wi-Fi icon over here, or you may find over here in Windows 7, that's in Windows 10. Now how you can go to over here, just you have to click on it and it's open in front of you, and you will able to see Wi-Fi options over here. But very easy and handy options are over here in the right hand side corner over there in beside the battery indicator. We find over here a Wi-Fi icon. Now how we can do show? We just have to press this show hidden icons option. Click over there and you will find a Wi-Fi icon over here, and press on it and drag it into the panel over here. As you can see, has been started showing over here. By just clicking over here, you can easily access to that. Many times it happens with us that we want to connect with the Wi-Fi and by mistake we press it and drag it to upper corner, and it stops showing the Wi-Fi icon and it shows in hidden icons. Now you can get it back by this. Hope you understand that I have found my Wi-Fi icon very easily. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.